Hello folks, we come to the part 4 video of the exercise 10.1 and we are into the 10th problem. The problem says that find the angle between the x-axis and the line joining the points. You have to find the angle between the x-axis and the line joining these 2 points. So that's as good as finding the slope, right? You have to join these 2 points and then you have to find the angle, whatever that this line is. You have to find out the angle that it makes with the x-axis, means indirectly you are supposed to be finding the slope of that line. That's what they are asking indirectly. So we need to find the slope of this. So maybe let's call it as A and B or whatever. Let A, B, let A with coordinates 3, -1 and B with coordinates 4, -2 be the given points. And then let's find out the slope of AB. Slope of AB will be therefore y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So it's -2 plus 1, 4 minus 3. So that's -1 by 1 minus 1, which means that the required angle, or rather that doesn't suit so well. So tangent of the required angle actually, let the required angle be alpha. Angle be alpha. We could have written it right in the beginning, but it's okay. Therefore, tan alpha is equal to this -1. Now, we have to find out alpha. They have asked you the angle. So, which is that angle which gives you -1? It has to be 45 degree, or rather it can be, because it's a negative, first time the negative occurs in the second quadrant. So it can be, it's of the type 180 minus theta. So it is 180 minus 45, and that is in practice 135 degree. So therefore the required angle is 135 degree. The angle that they have asked us is 135 degree, because we know it's it's minus tan 45, and in order to precisely get the angle, we look out for those tangents where we look out for those angles where the tangent is becoming negative, and tangent is becoming negative for the first time in the second quadrant, and in second quadrant every angle is of the type 180 minus theta. So we put it across like that and get the answer. You are getting the alpha value as 135 degree. And we quickly move to the 11th problem, which says that find the slope of the line that is double the slope of another line, and the angle between them is 1/3. So one line has got double the slope of the other line, and the angle between them is theta. So more or less shown in the figure. Let m1, m2, theta. You cannot call it as m1 and m2. You can call it as L and P or whatever. Let L, P, theta be as shown in the figure. Line L, line P, comma theta be as shown in the figure, and m1 comma m2 be the slopes of these lines. Therefore, one of them is double the other. It's not, I mean, we just keep like m1 is 2 times m2. That's been given to us. It's also told that the angle between them is theta, and we know the formula of the angle between two lines. Since we know that tan theta is m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. That's how we find out the angle between the two lines. The angle between the two lines by formula is actually the slope of those two lines. It is expressed like that in the slope of two lines in terms this way. And now it's been given to us that this is 1/3, and here we have these relations: 2m2 minus m2 by 1 plus 2m2 into m2. So this is like m2 by 1 plus 2m2 squared. 2m2 minus m2 is m2. 2m2 squared 1/3. We have those transpositions. 1 plus 2m2 squared goes on this side. This comes here, 3m2. Have everything on one side. 2m2 squared plus 3 minus, it will come over here, minus 3m2 plus 1 equal to 0. So like 2m2 squared minus 2m2 minus m2 plus 1 equal to 0, right? 3 we can split up as 2 and 1. Then we have this cloud, m2 common, 2m2 minus 1 and minus 1 common, m2 minus 1. You have m2 minus 1 into 2m2 minus 1. You can have it solved. m2 can become 1 and it can become half. When this becomes 0, it will become 1. When this becomes 0, it will become half. So you have got the m2 values as 1 and half. But what they have asked us? Find the slope of these lines. So required slopes. Slopes are for the line m, for the line p, for example, if it is 1 comma half, and for the remaining one, for the next one, it will be 2 because it's double, 2 and then 1, depending on which the line is. So those are the slopes. Then we got the problem number 12, which says that you have this x1, y1 and hk. There is a line which is joining these 2 points and its slope is n. If that is the case, they ask us to find out, establish that relation. So since their slope is m, given that y2 minus y1, here we have it. So we have y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is the slope m. Just take it on the other side. M times h minus x1 is k minus y1. That's it. Yeah, we are just using the slope formula, getting the answer because the coordinates are there. By formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, get it directly. 13th one, same way. There is a line which is joining h0, ab and 0k. They are all on a line. You have to show that particular thing. Now, intuitively, when you look at that thing which they say, this point h0 is here, this point 0k is here, and we are joining this. So AB is somewhere here, or it is somewhere out, wherever, it is there somewhere. So this is the line that you have. They ask us to show that particular relation. Now it's very clear to us that this is the x-intercept and this is the y-intercept. Whenever you have the x and y-intercept, you can use the intercept formula. So we can use for this line, the equation y-intercept formula is x by h plus y by k equal to 1. That's the intercept formula. Yeah, when we have an intercept, you can use the intercept formula. Now, having got this, you know that a and b is a point on the line, so it has to satisfy the equation of the line. So it means, therefore, a comma b is belonging to the line. So it has to satisfy the equation of the line. Satisfying the equation means what? X substituted by x coordinate and y substituted by y coordinate. So you will have a by h plus b by k equal to 1. This is exactly what they have asked us, right? Just at one shot. Next problem. There is a line where a and b is given to us. They ask us to find out the slope of AB. Then for a distant point, you have to find out what is the thing that's not given. Now slope is very easy. A is there, B is there. So y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So slope of AB, 97 minus 92 by 1995 minus 1985. So this is 2 now. Sorry, this is 5. And this is 10. So that's half. Slope is half, right? That same line, it extends to 210, and you have to find out this coordinate. Okay, so now suppose say this coordinate is some b or something, right? We can, since, or let c comma p be as shown in the figure, right? So therefore slope of BC is a half also, because it's the same line. So BC, now let's find the slope. P minus 97 by 210 minus 1995 is half. So we have to solve this. Yeah. So P minus 97 by, now this is how much? 5 years from here, and 10, 15 and half. So P minus 97 is 15 by 2, which is 9.5. Sorry, which is 7.5 plus 97. So how much will that come to? 97 plus 7, 104.5. So that P that is not there over there, that value is 104.5. And that's all about this video. And with this, probably we finish the exercise 10.1 also. Thank you.